Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for December and it is Toyl, Time of Your Life. I've just ripped off my address label there. If you're new to Toyl and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their December box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Toyl is a monthly beauty subscription box that is based in the UK and currently only shipped within the UK. And it's aimed at women 35 years and over. The cost of the box is £35 and that includes shipping, and every single box has a minimum value of at least £100. Toyl is run by an award-winning beauty blogger called Karen, who is also an Amazon best-selling author. And as well as the subscription, she runs blogs and YouTube and Instagram, etc. And every month she demonstrates how to use the products that are featured in the box. And sometimes she has interviews with the different brands as well. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They've given me a code to share with you, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your box, bringing it down to £30, and that is Geek. I'll pop that down in my description as well. If you're interested in looking at spoilers, they release spoilers on their social pages from the 18th onwards. So if you are a regular subscriber to the Toyl subscription and you see a spoiler, say for the January's box, you look at it and you think, oh, actually, I don't want that box this month, you are able to pause your subscription, which is really, really good. So there's that option there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I miss anything out, please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the December box. So inside every box we get a leaflet and it details everything about the products and also the theme, which I'll talk to you about in a little while. Ooh, and here are the products. I'll just give you a little sneak peek first, but I'll go through them in more detail. Okay, welcome to Toyl's December box, the showstopper. December is a very special month to many of us, and this box reflects that. Very special products for you are very special subscribers, created to uplift the spirits and help you look incredible. I hope you love the contents and brands in this gorgeous box. Starting with the perfume. This is by Floral Street. This is Iris Goddess Eau de Parfum, 10 mils here. The packaging is stunning, isn't it? Really pretty. A little perfume. Floral Street perfume. Okay, what's it smell like? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. It smells really nice. It smells a little bit of palm of violets, maybe. I'm not the best at describing scents, so don't quote me on that. A floral scent that smells a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. No, I like that. It's vegan, unisex, groundbreaking, recyclable packaging, and simply very, very cool. This fragrance from the award-winning Floral Street is perfect as your treat to self this Christmas. A powdery soft chypre floral, exploding with violets. Yes, I was right. Parma violets. Black vanilla carries an exotic depth, while sparkling lemon zest and red chili pepper add a jolt of life. An adventure in the bottle. Who doesn't want that for 2022? And this size is worth £24. Yeah, that's nice. It's unusual, but I can still smell it in the room. It's gorgeous. I forgot to say as well that the value of this month's box comes in at £108.50. Next up, we've got a product by Toyl. This is a neck mask. Something new for me. I haven't tried a neck mask from Toyl before. Freeze and smooth, skin tightening and hydrating biocellulose mask with cynic, dipeptide and firming wheat proteins. Neck mask that you just stick to your neck. It's single use and has a retail value of £8.50. I've got two sparkly outfits at the ready, and this mask is perfect for giving me a bit of a boost around the neck. Having neglected the sunscreen on this area for too many years, the amino acids and wheat proteins help tense and tighten skin, giving your neck visibly lifted appearance. There's that. Next up, we've got a product by Pry and M&S. This is Meno Glow Hot Flush Cool Fix Serum. Cools, calms and protects. Specifically designed for menopausal skin, and there's 60 mils here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, and it's got a roller. Do you remember, if you've been a subscriber to Toyl before, that one month we had an Emma Hardy neck cream and it had a roller like this? It's a really great incentive for me to use it. I do really like it. I do like it. Okay, So you twist it and then wait for the product to come out. You're not going to be able to see anything. The product is clear. It's like a gel. Obviously it's serum. No real scent there. But yeah, that feels really nice and cool. Be great on holiday as well, or hot weather if we ever have a hot day in the UK. The recommended retail price is £28. Pry is award-winning beauty created for you and me. This is their Menno Glow range, so even more relevant. But don't get caught up in the Menno reference. This product delivers cooling skincare that is packed with hyaluronic acid to plump skin and smooth fine lines. Don't forget, Pry made its name with a product that made a visible difference in just 7 days, and this facial serum is one of their best. Next up, we've got a product by Percy & Reed, and this is the I Need a Hero Wonder Balm. It's a hair primer, and it's 75 mils here. It's one of my favourite products from this brand. It's great for applying to your hair when your hair is dry as well. That's how I use it before I use any heated appliances if I was going to curl my hair. So I'd put a dollop of this in my hair, run it through my hair, let it dry, which dries pretty quickly, and then I curl my hair. It gives added protection, but it also creates a really nice thickness. So yeah, I do really like it. The recommended retail price is £19. This award-winning hair primer alleviates at-home styling to salon standards. The lightweight leave-in balm improves all hair types, perfecting every strand from root to tip, creating a flawless foundation for healthier looking hair and longer lasting style. And then lastly, we've got a product by Diaryofabeautygeek Paris, and this is an exfoliating body polish, and we've got 200 mils here. So before I open it up, I'll just read to you what it says about it. So the recommended retail price is £29. If you've got dry, parched skin, this body polish is your new best friend. Formulated with AHA, ceramide, something we'll talk a lot about in 2022, and antioxidants to slough away dead skin cells, this polish will reveal a smoother, softer texture and restoring a radiant glow. So there's that. Let's open it up and show you what it looks like. Ooh, there's some dark bits in it. The cream feels so lovely, like a really thick body butter. And then you've got the little bits then to exfoliate your skin. It's a really nice smell, although I've just put it on top of the Pry serum. I don't know. But it feels really lovely. So there you go. So those are all the items inside this month's Toyl beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a 10ml Floral Street Iris Goddess perfume. We've got a Rodiel neck mask. We've got a Pry, an M&S, Menno Glow face serum. We've got a Percy & Reed Wonder Balm. And lastly, a Diaryofabeautygeek Paris exfoliating body polish. The cost of the box is £35, which includes shipping, and the value comes in at £108.50. I love that we've got a perfume in this month's box. The face serum feels really nice for my skin as well, so I can't wait to see what that's like on my face. I am perimenopausal. I have been for the last 2 years. It can last up to 10 years, so I could have a long way before my periods completely stop. They're all over the place. They're all over the place. But I am having sort of perimenopausal symptoms. I do get the odd hot flush now and again, but it's just random. It's random. It's not necessarily at night either, so it's not night sweats are not a thing for me. It's generally during the day, and when I have them, oh my god, I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Hate it. So what I want to do actually, I want to buy myself a little fan which I can just pop in my handbag, so wherever I am, at least I got something to help me, as well as a cooling mist or something like that. But yeah, I do really like the fact that there is a range for menopausal women out there. I think that's brilliant. And Pry, you know, Pry's a well-known beauty brand as well. So yeah, overall a really nice box this month, I think. But I'd love to hear what you think. Do you subscribe to Toyl Box? What do you think of the products this month? Or are you watching this wondering if this box is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.